What's up, y'all? What's up? Welcome back to another video with your boy Abe Shaw. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm about to get ready to give you guys a market breakdown for specifically, I'm trying to decide. By the time you see this video, you're gonna know which setup I'm gonna give y'all. It'll probably be for SPX500. Since it's been a minute since I actually gave y'all like an actual breakdown video. I think the last one I gave y'all, let me see. If I go to the channel real quick, like it really has been a minute. I feel like since I've given y'all like an actual 2 months ago. Sheesh. SPX500 breakdown, the analysis you didn't expect. If you haven't watched that video, go watch that video because I believe I talked about a specific news that came out in that video that helped you like basically understand like how the market is moving for SPX. But that's crazy. It's been 2 months ago since I gave you guys like an SPX setup. That's actually no, yes it has, because the being before that you started. That's crazy. Anywho, I'm here now. I'm about to give you another one for this month. I probably start doing like I'm probably dedicated to doing like 2 a month. I'll be nice and give y'all 2 a month. And actually, I might end up making like a free Telegram chat again. I haven't decided, but probably not. Just stay on my channel. Look out for the two free video setups for SPX500. If you actually want all the signals that I call, all the trades alerts that I call, you want to make sure you get every single alert, then you already know what to do. Go on my website, enroll in the academy, or enroll in the signals chat to get access to like my actual trade ideas. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to the charts so we can talk about SPX500 and seeing what's about to come into the market this week. Alright, so let's see where we left off at. Okay, so the price has pushed to 40.65. Alright, bet. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete. I don't even know. Usually before I even start, I already deleted the lines from Friday. But usually before I even start, I start the chart. I'm not looking for nothing. I need to see the market clear as day. No indicators, no nothing. Just straight looking at price action and understanding where the market is going. So once I see that, what I'm looking for this week, I'm marking these resistance areas, potential areas that the market can come back to and retest, or continue for the direction of the uptrend or the reversal for the downtrend, right? As you can already tell, this will be like the major, what is this, about 4200? I'm gonna say like the 4200 area. This will be a major key level for SPX500. Now, do I expect it to push up to this price by the end of this week? It depends, right? It depends on the first indication that it can start going to the next major level will be if when the market opens up at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight, we could see if the price actually climbs above 40.65. So like my ideal buy entry area, I can actually give you guys this setup. And since I'm on a 4, let me drop down real quick. My actual buy entry area, and this probably be, I'll say probably 40.80. Let me see if I put it right at the top. Yeah, I'll look to buy at 40.80. And then I will have TPs all the way from here to here, right? So 200 pip play, 270 pip move. Why? Because as we see on the 4 hour, that was like the next candle that started the deep sell. And then once it shows us that it's closing above 41.10, it's over with. Then we'll know for sure that the price is going to continue to climb, and then this will become a 1200 pip move just off the initial entry of 40.80. But if we see that the market comes to 41.10 area, right, we might see that the market might come here, hit the TP, or hit the price, and then we will see the market retest back to that 40.80, or actually better yet, not even 40.80, retest back to 40.70, because this is the last zone, right, on the hour time frame. This is the last zone that it broke out of, and then we can see the continuation for the uptrend. If you don't notice, the market does, for SPX and indices, I notice whenever we get like a zone breakout in the market always for some reason love to retest that price. Why? Because the market want to make sure that it's going, that the basically that it wants to make sure that the trend is already ready. It want to make sure that trend is set. And what I'm teaching y'all right now, what I'm breaking down for this, like if you guys study this video, I'm kind of like what I'm doing now. This is what I've been using to get those 14K days, those 40K days, those 60K days. And I just realized on my channel, I don't even have my, like the last, the highest day I had on here is 43K day. And we've already exceeded that, as you guys know if you follow me on my Wealthy Traders Profits page. And I'll probably tag that IG right here. But I'm gonna start showing y'all basically like this is the strategy that I use to make that money, right? This is the strategy that I use that's kept me consistent for this whole year. And I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna drop a stat because I'm still going. I'm not on Instagram until October. I'm not posting or nothing. I probably post at the end of the month because I'm doing something crazy at the end of the month to end quarter 3 off, right? And then I'm back on it for quarter 4. But basically, I'm gonna continue to like I said, I told you I'm gonna continue to upload on here. So let me not even spill any more gems. I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. So as you can see here, so basically, like I said, you're gonna get that breakout. You're gonna get that retest back to that 4070 area, and then you can enter the trade again at 4080. And once it crosses, not crosses, but once it closes back above this price, then you know for sure that okay, this is about to continue for the uptrend, and you can look to take the price to 4200. And I love when I do videos like this because it's always exciting to come back to the market and see like, all right, did it actually do what Abe said, or what did the market do? And there's usually no reason why it doesn't do what I say, because like I'm literally going with the market. Like if the market decides to push at this price, this is the next major resistance area, so why wouldn't it retest this area, or vice versa? I'm about to give y'all the sell area too, because why not? That'll be perfect, right? So this is for if it buys, but the market goes for a sell. Boom. Our sell entry would be, let's see, we can make it right here. And it's probably around the times where my indicators cross. My indicators cross down here. That's cool. But I know it crossed there on the 5 minute. Alright, bet. So our entries that I probably look for the sell. Yes, you have your people that's like, actually, you know what? No. We're gonna do it right here. We're gonna do the sell entry at 40. Hey, why is your sell entry so low? Because as you can see, and this could be, I'm about to show y'all. I'm really giving y'all hella different examples of what the market can do. So you gotta, let's say I just didn't even go for this zone. Let's say if I went off for right here, right? If I set the sell area to 40.60, yes, you could do that, but it's not really a high probability of the market really going in that trend, right? Because it can just come here 40.60. You got a 10 pip TP, aka that's 100 pips for our NDC pairs, and then you got another one at 40.45. So you probably got a 150 pip move. Yes, you can do that if you want, but this is still, just understand that this was a previous consolidation area where the market was just chilling in this range, and you don't really know where the market is going in until they break out of this zone. Now when it closes below here, it officially broke out of this zone and it started to make its downtrend move. And I wouldn't be mad at that because, alright, we're at, as you look to the left of the chart, this is a resistance area that started the recent downtrend that we see in the market now. So if it continues for the downtrend, I'm going to be looking for my entry around 40.40. And then from there, we can still take those, same concept, take it here, take it all the way back down. Just look for the next major resistance levels. And I'm going to get rid of these blue lines because these are our entry line colors. And then here, right? I am expecting SPX to really eventually go for the uptrend. The fact that it broke this trend right here and started pushing up for the uptrend, that's our first indication for the reversal for the rest of the months. Since we are about to get ready to approach quarter 4, as you guys know, it's about to start getting a lot more volatile. A lot of people are about to start spending money. Apple just released its products for the year. You know, Apple is a part of like the part of the indices, not even SPS specifically, but that goes for US 30. But they all move the same, right? All the top companies are starting to announce their products, basically trying to boost sales in the US economy. So with the understanding of that, you should know that the market is gonna, the dollar is gonna gain more value, which is gonna push these indices back up for the uptrend. For really, I'm thinking for the remainder of the year. And even if it doesn't, which I doubt, we have our ideas of where we want to enter for the sale. So with all this news coming out, I think it's news coming out next week too. It is news coming out, because I for sure checked it on Friday. But if we get this major push here, we know, okay, if it starts to go for a downtrend, this will be that rejection candle. And it's going to reject back to 4120 area. And then from there, 4120 area will be our new buy. And it's going to continue to go for the uptrend. That's just what I think the market is going to do. I've seen it happen over and over again, just like how we caught this big downtrend here, just like we caught this big uptrend, just like we caught this big downtrend here. well, I guess not you guys because you're not in the indices chat, but for my indices traders, the indices people that's in the chat, these are the sales we've been catching. These are the buys we've been catching. Like, y'all may have not peeped it, but I've been paying attention very much. And SPS market structure is looking very beautiful right now. Still looking good. I'm excited for what's coming for the fall. So that's the end of this video. Hope you guys gained something from it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. If you haven't liked the video already, please like it. It helps with the algorithm. Trying to be more consistent on here and actually grow this channel. So if you're trying to be here for the long run with me, all I need you to do is just like the video for me. But alright, you guys, I'll catch you guys later on this week where I'll probably just update y'all on what actually happened with SPX and we can go from there. Deuces.